Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google Docs app and signing in so your fonts sync across devices. Tap an existing document or the plus to create one, then select Text and tap the current font name to open the font picker. Once the font picker appears, choose More Fonts at the top. This lets you access extended Google fonts and custom entries. Do this now to expand available options before editing your paragraph or heading. Next, use the font picker's search and filters to find the typeface you need. This saves time when you want a specific look. When you tap a font in the More Fonts view, it's added to your active list and shows under Recent for quicker access. Make sure to filter by language or style to avoid incompatible scripts. Once done, tap the font in your document to apply it and preview sizing. This step ensures consistent design across headings and body text. Finally, apply the chosen font. Then fine-tune size, weight, and spacing so your document reads well on mobile and desktop. If the new font does not appear, sign out and back in or reinstall the app to force a sync. This resolves most missing font issues. Also, make sure you select Google fonts that support the language you need, because unsupported scripts will fall back to defaults. Once saved, your font choices will sync across devices for consistent viewing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.